at an alligator farm. We just left Miami, drove down to the Everglades. You see that, Mama? Big birds.
Hi.
Oh God. Same people? People. Same emus as last time. Hi.
You see it? Hi. Hi, Mama. Good boy.
Good boy. Careful, Mama. Say hi. Bless you. Bless you.
Come, we gotta go.
That sounds so scary. What in the world? So we're going to the alligator show. So good morning, sorry. We just kind of gobbled up our breakfast on the way in, so I didn't really have time to talk, but yeah, so we're in the Everglades in I think it's called Alligator Farm. This is the very tip of the mainland, Florida. So we're on our way to Key West, but this is our little stop, so everybody can kind of see what we saw last time. So I'm excited, and I think this one's a little different. This is an actual show, not feeding. Cool.
All right, opening up his mouth right there nice and wide. We're going to show you that really pretty Florida smile. All 80 teeth of the alligator, 40 on top, 40 on the bottom. Now, alligators do not have any molars. They don't chew their food. They simply crush the bone and swallow it whole. The protein inside their diet, that does allow them always to have all 80 of those teeth. If one does break or fall off, there's always another one growing up right underneath it.
Wow.
Still, this is what's known as bulldog.
Huh?
Wow. All right, who's next?
You want to touch it, Mama? Touch it. Go give it a nice pet.
Shy.
Pet it. Yeah, it's okay.
That's it, just like that.
Mommy, Kennedy, touch the alligator. Wow. It's so cute. Careful.
You want to touch it?
Great.
Say nice, nice.
Touch the tail right here.
Oh.
It's cold.
It's cold, yeah. So cute. Okay. Okay, give him back.
Sí, porque si me pica.
Wait.
Yo lo saco,
Te va a picar.
Take a photo. No duele, no te preocupes, no duele. Okay,
I'm taping, I'm taping. No, Kennedy, no.
Ven.
Kennedy, come here. Get out.
My turn.
Mira el otro, desesperado.
No pica duro, actually. Oh,
Desesperado.
mayao. Malcriado.
Sí, no dejo que uno le...
Vamos al de duro.
Wait.
No?
Ellos saben hasta
Grab my
que...
hand. So is that blood you want?
Ah, ven. Pero échalo para allá, mi amor, para sacarlo. Bien. Mira, ahora. Ouch. Oh my God. It'll be okay for her?
Yeah.
Oh, mira.
Hey, don't grab, okay?
I think so.
Wait.
Here. Ah!
Qué tan duro.
Ah!
Amor, eso yo quería sacarte una foto y se la sacaste. Qué tan duro, mira la cara.
You guys are so cute. I want to take you home. You're so cute. I like you. Good boy, good girl.
Emu.
And son tan chulo. You're so good. You're such a good girl. What is this?
Emu.
Emu. You guys are so cool.
Ven, sobrino.
You guys are so
En
cool.
Australia, amor, de Australia.
This is so cool. I have never seen a tree anything like this. This is one badass tree. Look at this.
You can climb that tree.
No climbing this tree. It's like a skinny little tree with thorns and these pretty pink flowers. She's scaring the
Mira que no
turtle.
meta la mano que la muerde.
Mira, sí, no le meta la mano.
What was that?
Hi.
What was that?
Hi.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Hello.
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 Sí. Mira, ¿qué te dije? Baila. Me encanta bailar. Qué lindo. Toca la pero con la cabeza.